So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome, good morning, and welcome to the 20th European Radar Conference. My name is Christian Waldschmidt, and I will co-chair this welcome event here together with Marlene Harter. She's the TPC chair of this conference, and my co-chair, that is Christina Bonfert. She's sitting here in the first row, and she's not on the stage here, but she deals with all these 150 student helpers we have here, and that makes such an event possible. So she's doing an outstanding job here. Now, the European Radar Conference, it turns 20 years of age this year. And I got a very nice picture from the very beginning of this conference from Alexander Jaroboy, who is sitting here. And he, together with Professor Lichthardt, they started the first event 20 years ago in Amsterdam. And I think if we look back, the European Radar Conference has been a big success story. If you just look at the numbers, 20 years ago, we had 74 submissions. Today, we have more than 200. And 20 years ago, we had 224 attendees. And yesterday morning, we had already more than 600. I don't know how many we have now, how many registered guests here, because I guess many of you have registered maybe today or yesterday. Now, what have we prepared for you for this year? Of course, we address again the key topics in radar research. So we have sessions on automotive radar and on other millimeter wave applications. UAV or drone detection. And of course, at this conference as well, we address the topic of machine learning. So we cover a pretty wide span from hardware-related topics to signal processing-related topics. We have 3 plenary talks, 12 industrial keynotes, 10 workshops, and of course the conference, it comes with 2 prizes. We have the EuMA Radar Prize, which is the Best Paper Award, and we have the EuRAD Young Engineer Prize, and we do have the award ceremony on Friday in the closing session. Then on Monday, there was the Automotive Forum. I guess many that have been there on Monday are now here today. And right after this session, we're going to have the Defense, Security and Space Forum taking place here in this part of the conference center. Let's talk about the 2 plenary talks we have in this opening session. We first have Tom Driscoll from Echodyne. He's talking about phased area radar and an era of autonomy. And after that, we have a presentation from Roland Schwartz by Matthias Gareis and Andreas Schießel, and they're going to talk about the latest developments on the walk-through passenger screening or the body scanner. And on Friday, in the closing session, we're going to have a talk on the Gestra system by Christoph Reising from Fraunhofer. And I guess the Gestra system, it's one of the most powerful radars that has been built in the last few years, at least that I know. It's a very, very impressive and powerful radar used to detect space debris. So I really look forward to the presentation of Christoph on Friday. And of course, this conference also comes with some social events. This evening, we have the week's gala dinner. There's still some tickets available. You can get them at the registration booth. And there will be some music, a nice show, and it will take place at the TP Kanzleramt. And on Friday, we have, of course, the traditional EuRAD lunch and the closing session, and it will take place together. It will be one event, so we will have lunch during the closing session. There is another plenary talk, as already announced. There is the awards ceremony and lots of food. Then the conference comes with the student career event. That is something new we have this year for the first time. And it might be of interest mainly for the students being here that want to connect with, let's say, major microwave employers. This event comes in 2 parts. So today you can meet after noon the companies that take place in this event. And there you can also get the tickets for this evening, where there will be a big party at the Palais Kulturbrauerei, where you can again connect to those companies and meet them and party with them. I would now like to hand over to Marlene, and she's going to talk about the technical program.
Thank you. So good morning, everybody. I also would like to welcome you to the 20th European Radar Conference here in Berlin. And I would like to give you an overview of our program for the next days. But first of all, let's have a look at our numbers. This year we got 201 paper submissions from more than 25 countries around the world. So the most submissions, we got from Germany, then the Netherlands, Great Britain, US, and from France. I also want to point out that this year is the first time that we got more than 200 paper submissions. So a special thanks to all the authors for their excellent contributions. For the review, we had then 474 reviewers, and in the technical program committee, we had 23 members. And the technical program committee, we have arranged then the final 190 accepted papers into 27 sessions. So with 27 oral sessions, they are divided in 18 EuRAD sessions and 9 sessions which are shared together with EuMC. And these sessions, we are addressing a variety of topics like radar techniques, radar signal processing, and different applications for radar. Further, we have 12 industrial keynotes, so they are distributed over all the sessions. And please don't forget to stop by at our 2 poster sessions, which we have tomorrow morning and in the afternoon, so it's on Thursday. So I also would like to draw your attention to some program highlights. We have 4 sessions on joint communication and sensing. So among these, we have a focus session with 2 parts with the title A Step Towards 6G, and this will take place this afternoon. Further, we have 5 sessions on automotive radar, and within these 5 sessions we have also a focused session on phase-modulated continuous wave radar, and this is tomorrow morning. And finally, on Friday morning we have another focused session, which is a UAV-based radar. So I already wish you an interesting conference.